Hi, this is Jason from McGuire's Clocks, and we're going to take a look at a Sligh grandfather clock model 0846-1-AN. The 0846 is the model number, and the AN stands for Andover Cherry. So this is an Andover Cherry color. The case is solid cherry wood, top to bottom. There's no fancy inlay on this one, but instead of doing that, what they've done is this multiple step pediment on here. It's the only one I've seen with this many steps in it. It's a nice pediment on it. It's got nice detail in it. This one is running a brand new real Kieninger series KSU 78 movement with nighttime shutoff and triple chime. Dial is in excellent shape. Weights and pendulum are in very good shape. No denting. Don't see any scratches on it. The pendulum bob itself is a little bit darker. They sometimes do that over time. And there's a spot here from oxidization. Not much you can do about that. It doesn't really take away from it when you're looking at it from outside the case. This is one of their older ones, and one way among many you can tell is Sligh used this pendulum in their stuff right around 1990 and earlier. Not too much past that, maybe into the very early 90s. It's nice and etched. It's got a flower motif on it. The pillars on this one, nice reeded, and they're flat. They're not a round shape, they're actually kind of a flat square shape instead of being rounded all the way around. And then it's got this decoration here on both pillars, and then this decoration down here. They did do kind of a book matched piece of cherry in here where this side looks exactly like this side here. And this one, they didn't do this in a lot of them either. Here and there you'll find it, but this one's got a really nice piece of etched glass in the front of it. Instead of just a plain bevel edge, you get a nice etched piece of glass. Let's see if you can see that all the way down. It's just a mirror to the top of it. You got glass and wood panels in the side here. Now, because someone's probably going to say something off the video, normally I always put the arches at the top. The way the glass was glued in from what it looks like at the factory, this is the only way they will go in there. That can be changed. I can pop the glass off and then re-glue it, but I thought I'd leave it like this again and see. It's the only way it fits in there. Both sides are the same way. I'd have to pop the glass off and then rearrange where the glass is on the wood in order to fit it in there the opposite direction. Overall, really great shape. Mechanically, brand spanking new. It'll come with the 2-year warranty and the craftsmanship that is a Sligh. Let's see if we can get this in here. The edges are beveled on the 2 side pieces of glass. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and listen to it. Let's start at Westminster. St.Michaels. And this one, because someone might ask, this is a fully functional lunar calendar on this one. It rotates once a day. St. Michaels. Nice deep sound to this clock. Whittington. And on the top of the hour, I'm going to go ahead and close the door so you can hear what it sounds like with the door closed. Right, and that is the Sligh 0846. It's ready to go now. We're asking $22.50 for it. Comes with a 2-year warranty and free delivery anywhere within about 200 miles of Austin, Texas. You can find us at mcguiresclocks.com and on Facebook under McGuire's Clocks. Please feel free to give us a call. Thank you.